Top 5 Best Network Cable Tester in 2025. Hi guys! Are you looking for the best network cable tester? If you received a new network cable tester, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best network cable testers on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Number 1. The NOYAFA NF8209S Network Cable Tester is a precision tool for testing Cat5 and Cat6 cables. It features a 2.8-inch LCD display, measures cable lengths from 2.5 to 600 meters, and detects PoE with a DC 5-60V voltage test range. It supports continuity and cable tracker functions. Equipped with a 3.7V/1400 mAh lithium battery, it includes a low battery reminder and low voltage prompt for reliable use. It also features built-in NCV and lamp functions for network maintenance. Number 2. The NOYAFA NF8508 Network Cable Tester LCD Digital Rechargeable Network Line Finder is a versatile tool for efficient cable tracking and PoE checking. Operating at a 455 kHz frequency, it accurately locates and identifies network lines. Equipped with a rechargeable battery and an LCD display, it can track both standard network cables and optical wires. CE certified, it ensures safety and quality, making it ideal for tasks like cable management, diagnostics, and network maintenance. Number 3. The NOYAFA NF8209S LCD Network Cable Tester is a versatile tool designed for network technicians and DIY enthusiasts. It tests PoE and RJ45 cables, providing reliable length measurements, continuity testing, and cable tracking. The tool features an LCD screen for clear results, lighting, and NCV detection for low-light conditions. Certified CE, it combines accuracy with convenience, making it an essential device for network diagnostics and maintenance. Number 4. The NOYAFA NF8508 is a rechargeable network cable tester designed for professionals working with optical and Ethernet cables. It features a clear LCD digital display, accurately locates and tests network lines, checks PoE, and identifies wire continuity. CE certified and compact, it is easy to handle and highly portable. It also includes an optical wire meter for a broad range of network diagnostics in one convenient device. Number 5. The NOYAFA NF8209S is a multifunctional network cable tester designed for Cat5 and Cat6 cable diagnostics. It features a 2.8-inch LCD screen, a crimping test feature, and a rechargeable 1400 mAh lithium battery. It measures cable length and identifies faults, ensuring accurate troubleshooting. It supports PoE voltage testing and has a crimping test feature. CE certified, it is reliable and convenient for both home and professional use. Thanks for watching the video.